Hello class 8th student, it's a part 12 in which we read about metamorphosis in butterfly. There are four main stages in the life cycle of the butterfly stage. Butterfly we can see in the figure 9.15. We discuss this figure later. First we read more detail. Egg turn in the caterpillar or the larva, then into pupa, then adult butterfly is formed. The female butterfly lays fertilized egg on the undersurface of leaf. Undersurface of leaf. Here you can see egg lays under the leaf. Okay, egg lays under the leaf. Then you can see here. Okay. Then the egg hatch and a worm-like caterpillar comes out. Mean when the eggs hatch out or the broken out, then a worm-like caterpillar comes out. Worm-like means just like an insect. Okay, insect-like caterpillar comes out. It feeds voraciously on the leaves and grows in size. Voraciously means eating in a large amount. It feeds on a large amount of leaves and grow in size. This is a caterpillar. You can see this is a caterpillar. And after eating in a large amount of leaf, it grows in its size. After the few days, the body becomes shorter. It becomes shorter and thicker, just like this one. It stops feeding. Now it stops feeding and spins a cocoon around itself. Stop feeding and spin cocoon around itself. This resting means in this stage he stop eating, only spin a cocoon around itself. Cocoons are thread-like structures. Okay, and this is called the resting stage. Is called pupa. Is called pupa, which you see here. It's a short-heighted and thicker. And another name of is chrysalis stage. Many changes occur inside this cocoon. Later, the adult butterfly emerges from the cocoon and flies away. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.